Jaybird on topic. I went to a market the other day and I picked up a couple of DVDs, as well as Paul Power's Hits from the Crypt. I also picked up this. ECW's House Party 98. My opponent this Saturday, Tracy Smothers, is featured on this DVD feature. That's right, Tracy. You're teaming up with your mates, Little Guido, Tommy Rich. Take on your opponents, Axel Rotten, and Balls Mahoney? What is this DVD? Viewer discretion advised? What was viewer discretion for that saucy bit of brisket? Big what, Dudley? It's disgusting. 18 rated. Just incredible. Oh, that's a good one. Well, let's begin. Look at the chips on that. Welcome back to Jaybird on Topic. So here we are, some ballroom in New York City. You know what? When you enter Ryton Social Club, you'll see how to really wrestle, Tracy. You see, you seem to be some sort of street brawler. Well, I can do that as well, because my best mate was from the streets, Billy Morrison, the Big Mo, and he'll have my back right the way through this match. But you know what? I will teach you how to wrestle. I was trained with Master Eric von Homo at the Academy of Self-Defense Mat Techniques. So let's see what you can take in the ring, eh? Shall we, Tracy? So Tracy, you do have some pretty good stuff in the ring. You had some good advantage in this match. But look, come right in Social Club, I'm going to look you dead in the eye. I'm going to tell you, Tracy, you cannot dance.